everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for June 2nd to June 8th. It's gonna be an okay week. I have a feeling the first couple weeks of June might be a little bit slow because everybody's getting done with school, everybody's focusing on going on little road trips, so you're not gonna see a lot of great deals. I find a lot of them are repeaters, which is fine. In case you guys need to get a couple things here and there, or you just like stocking up, but I don't see anything really big, but I still want to share with you guys deals. Now in the bottom of the screen, it is hard for me to reach because I'm holding the baby, but on the bottom of the screen, like right here, they have the 10 times everyday points. So basically what you guys do is you spend $20, you do not pay with points, and you guys get 10 times points. So like, I think every dollar you spend, you get like 10 points or something like that, or 100 points, I think. You can also have that clipped to your card. It usually shows up like a day or two before Sunday, so you guys can get that clipped to your card. I always forget to have them scan the ad, so I always have it clipped to my card. But here, let's just go on and share with you guys the deals. Now right here, they have Scott's paper towels or toilet paper. In the 5/19 Smart Source, we did get some 50-cent off coupons. So you guys would get them for $5 and then $2.50 after the 2 50-cent off coupons. If you guys are lucky, you might have higher value ones, but majority of people have the 50 centers. But you guys would get them for $6.50. That's an okay deal. There is a deal that you guys can also get points with, Fetch Rewards. So it's up to you guys if you guys need stuff like that. But I say go for it if you need them. Then they got Skittles, Snickers, Mars candy for 59 cents. Those are great filler items in case you guys need a couple things here and there to, you know, spend to make prices a little bit easier. So there's that. They do have General Mills cereal for $1.88. Now I know we are getting $1 off of 2 coupons. I know for Cheerios. I can't remember if it's $1 off of 2 for the other ones or if it's $1 off of 3. I cannot remember, but you guys would get those for like $1.30 something, which could be a pretty decent deal. I usually say $1 a box of cereal is a really good price. So share with you guys with that. Then you got Purex Crystals or Purex Laundry. In the 5/5 Retail Me Not, there's 50-cent off coupons. Now those coupons do expire that Sunday. So June 2nd is the only day you guys can use those coupons. But you guys can get them for $1.50 a piece. Now on to the next page, which is usually the last page. I always go to the Walgreens website. That's how I can see these deals. Lysol is buy one, get one free. We do have some coupons, I think, that you guys can use for that. But you can't use a coupon on a free item. So you can only use like one coupon. So sharing you guys that. Right here, they have the Crest toothpaste. They're going to be $2.99. Now we do have $1 off coupons in the P&G. So you guys would pay about $3.98 for 2 of them, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward, making them free. It looks like it's only for toothpaste. I'm going to give you guys a heads up. Your register reward might not print off. I have been having Crest not print off for months now. So, yep. Jello and pudding, 2 for $1. All right. I like that. Lindsay olives are either 99 cents or 2 for $2 all the time. Like, those are always on sale. So if you guys need to stock up on olives, here we got Vanity Fair napkins or paper plates. They're buy one get one 50% off. I think these are $3.59 in the store. I'm not 100% positive, but we are getting $1 off a 2 online coupon, so you guys can get those, you know, at a reasonable price. So it's up to you guys for that. Snapped or Cheez-Its snacks for $1.99. I know the Snapped, I don't know, we do have 75-cent off coupons, but I don't know if it's for that size. I think it's for the larger size, but I'm not 100% positive. More food deals, nothing really popping out at me. Cleaning products, we got Febreze 2 for $6. Renews It's 89 cents. We are getting an online coupon for buy 3 get 1 free. So you guys would end up paying $2.67 for all 4 of them. Makes them about 67 cents a piece. The nice wipes are buy one get one 50% off. Right now they're $1.99, but right now it's a better deal if you get them this week because they're buy one get one free. So if you guys need some wipes, do that deal. Yeah. Medicines or vitamins are buy one get one free. I always see that a lot. More buy one get one free pills, vitamins, all that jazz. I saw something coming up. Where did I see it? I really don't do a lot of deals on these pages because there's nothing really there. The Renew eyeglass thing, they're going to be $8.99. We are getting $2 off coupons in the Walgreens booklet. Plus we're getting $4 off paper coupons, so you guys can get those for $2.99. I think that's a good price. Again, this is a deal where if your store does not let you guys combine the deals, like combine a coupon with the Walgreens booklet, right here's a good picture to take to show that you guys can combine them. So I know a lot of people say that your stores don't let you do that. Right Guard is 2 for $7. It looks like we're getting a 4 off of 2 coupon, making them $1.50 a piece. So yeah, not the greatest. Colgate, $3.99 off coupons, making them $2.99. You guys would pay $6 for Colgate toothpaste, and you get 2,000 points. No way, no way. You should not pay anything more than like free or a quarter. Sometimes $1 would be the max for that stuff. A lot of skincare, all that stuff is buy two get the third free, so we won't be seeing as many deals with that, but hey. Now we're in the personal care products. What I get a kick out of right here is Irish Springs is 2 for $8, and half the time this stuff goes on sale where we can pretty much get it for free or 50 cents. So it's like, it's funny how prices change so much at Walgreens. But nothing really going on with a lot of personal care products. Sorry, the baby just woke up. 2 for $6 for Dial, and then we're getting 2 off of 2, looks like paper coupons, so you guys can get those for $2 a piece. It's an okay deal. I wouldn't recommend it. Whole Blends is 2 for $7. There's going to be a $2 off coupon. Not the greatest. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. We're getting 3 off of 2 coupons. Again, not the greatest deal. So, sorry you guys. I'm dealing with the baby right now. My camera's dying on me. So that is it for the Walgreens ad preview. It's not the greatest haul or greatest week, but hey, there might be some deals I still want to share with you guys, and I'm hoping there's some secret deals that we can find. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos, and thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.